So in this quilt, we used the principle of 3 again, but I also wanted balance, as you can see in composition. The main focus, the focal point, is of course this dynamic tree. Then we have balance with our 2 snowmen. We're keeping the soft area down here on the ground because there's a lot of green heaviness going here. And then to keep everything so that the eye is always inside the quilt, I used color. For example, I made sure the green was here, is here, and of course I bordered it in green. So that grounds the green in all the design work. Then I used the red as the accents, which I use it as a triangle, which again encases the main focal point. And I chose a very mild background, a very soft background, because there's enough drama going on with the strong colors.